Hello, hello, and hello. This is the real McCoy Reacts, and I hope everybody's having a decent day out there in the interweb world. Yep, this is exactly what I look like. This is my avatar and family. We're chewing some gum. You know, this is a famous quote from a movie. If you know which movie I'm talking about, leave it in comments. We've come to do two things today: chew gum and kick ass. And we're all out of gum. But anyways, we got a brand new song from Jack White. It's called The White Raven. I can't wait to check it out. A little bit of rock music, get us started today. A few shout outs before we get started. Before I do the shout outs, if you like what you're hearing and seeing anytime through this point of view verbal style reaction, please hit that subscribe button, hit the notification button. We do any requests. We also have an Instagram account called the exact same thing. But a few shout outs for people who left comments on the last day of reactions. Ben Weston, Griffin Smith, Diego Robertson, Southern Al, Mama Spider, Drizzle 713, hashtag MTP, and Kim Bader. All right, family, let's get out of here. I think we've chewed enough gum. Let's go to the channel. Let's see what we got. Let's go. All right, we're here. We've made it. We're at Jack White's YouTube channel. That's where you want to go find this original. He's the artist. He deserves the spins. Badass artist, very talented man, can produce, can create whatever he wants to create. Part of the White Stripes, of course. But anyways, he always makes, legendary music that's kind of iconic, and I have a feeling we got another one here. But anyways, we got Jack White, the White Raven Visualizer. Cannot wait to check this one out. Like we always say before we get started, smoke them if you got them. My avatar's got them. Smoke them, drink them, eat them, whatever it takes for you out there to get in that right state of mind to check out some new music with an open mind. Let's go. Don't forget to crank it up. Woo! Man, his whole thought process on music is just so different. The sounds, the places he's willing to go, and things he's willing to create. I mean, this is rock music with a twist, if you know what I'm saying. But I love the energy. I love the power of the background music. It's fire. Let's go. Said my Unibomb is invincible and my camouflage is invincible. If this doesn't pump you up and get you ready to go do a killer workout, go play some basketball, football, whatever, it should be a great track to hear right before you go out to compete. Fire, let's go back. I like that. My motives are invincible. I wish that was true for everybody out there. It's fire. Let's go back. My motives are invincible and his armor's invincible. We got to hear all that again, man. Pump you up music. Let's go back. Whew, if you weren't woke up today yet, this is going to wake you up. Let's go back. Fire, let's go. Man, he's got a way of making music just sound like something that you want to hear over and over and over, man. His hooks are fire. His musical instrumental hooks are fire. But I'm going to stop right here and say go to Jack White's YouTube channel. That's where you want to go find his original. He's released a bunch of music here lately, a couple new videos. Go check him out for sure. He's the artist. He's the one that deserves the spins, and that's where this original's to be found. Got my recommendation. Go check out Jack White. Fire, let's go. I really like that. It's like he was speaking to you with the guitar, and then they spoke to you with the lyrics. They both sound the same. Fire, let's go back. Woo! I mean, you can feel that bass. Let's go back one more time. And the visualizer on this is just 10 out of 10, man. Trippy. Let's go. The arms won't go where the army goes. I'm raving black in the falling snow. Woo! Protection from my heart of gold. I want salvation in the place of gold. I mean, I predict how long into the future will we be hearing this at every sporting event in between timeouts and halftime and quarters and things like that. You will be hearing this on a commercial sometime soon. Fire track, and definitely awesome stuff, man. One of them kind of songs that you can listen to over and over and over and over, if you know what I'm saying. This is the Real Mccoy Reacts YouTube channel. If you like this point of view, verbal style reaction, please subscribe, hit the notification bell, thumbs up the music, leave any kind of communication request. This is for sure. I'm gonna give this one 10 thumbs up, man, and I like this. I like this visualizer. So 10 thumbs up, 10 fist bumps. Go to that YouTube channel. Play, spin, repeat. Go check out Jack White. You can't go wrong. Impressive, man. I don't think he's lost anything. I think he's getting better and better and better. I don't know how that's possible. But anyways, hope everybody has a wonderful day out there. Let music in your heart and soul. It'll make your day a little bit easier. Let's go. I mean, it makes you feel invincible. The name of this song should have been I'm Invincible. Let's go back. Fire. Have a wonderful day out there. Go check out Jack White, the White Raven. Woo! Telling a story with the music.